Hello to you, and welcome to our channel. ICM is a Ukrainian model manufacturer who produced a re-release of their 72-scale MiG-29 kit, this time with new decals to build up the model as the legendary Ghost of Kyiv. 50% of the proceeds from the sale of these model kits are donated to the Ukrainian Armed Forces. So let's have a look inside the box. As there aren't many parts to the model, the instructions were fairly simple and easy to follow. The paint call-out tables were very helpful, with options for ICM, Revell and Tamiya paints. The back page of the instructions featured a colorful paint and decal placement guide, which was extremely useful. The decals were the star of the show, with lots of options for numbering and adding extra detail to the model. The second decal sheet was composed of the elements which made up the digital camouflage. At first glance, these look a little daunting, but if one starts with the smaller decals first, one soon becomes familiar with the way they react when being applied to the model, and it becomes easier to work with the larger decals later on. The model itself was cast in 3 large grey sprue trees, with a smaller 4th one for the clear parts. Most of the parts had quite a bit of flash, which needed to be trimmed and sanded, and fitting the 2 halves of the fuselage proved to be a bit tricky later on. However, there weren't many gaps to fill, and the model came together quite nicely. But that's enough from me. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe buttons below, as it really helps our channel. And most importantly, please leave a comment and tell us what you're working on, because we would really love to hear from you. Now I invite you to sit back and join in the fun as we put this iconic model kit together.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. I'm not falling, I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going life. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays, way back a year ago. back a year ago. Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. About others way before myself, yeah. I guess that's why I feel like I go through hell, damn. Wasting time on your dreams instead of mine, yeah. About to turn this franchise around on a dime, man. It's all about finding your right state of mind. It's all about turning the worst into fine. It's all about time and the work and the climb. From the thirst we will rise, I'm immersed in this life. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself first. I'm inspired by worth. I desire your worst, so you can just hide while I work. I ain't tired, you first. I'll write a second, third verse about the lies you go disperse. You never did shit, I know it hurts. Something deep inside won't let me quit. I swear that I'm inspired by all this shit. Tell me that I can and I won't. That's what guides me the most. Fuck your lies, I'll do what I want. The gas in the back of the sun, never leave. She's so bad, she don't need the bag. The gas in the back of the sun, never leave. She's so bad, she don't need the bag. The gas in the back of the sun, never leave. She's so bad, she don't need the bag. The gas in the back of the sun, never leave. She's so bad, she don't need the bag. I was built to last when the waves are wanna be the best in the game, invest in my name, check no restraints, I'm obsessed with the pain. I ingest, I retain, assess and I change, possessed by the thought I'll be free one day from society's restraints. Money, clout and fame, mud, disease, a plague. We all love to hate, have to play the game, have to make a name. All our insecurities are on display. This is war with the enemy, think that it was meant to be. Living in a time where disease is on every screen. I won't let them fester me, I know most are festering. Negativity is a plague for the mentally weak. No mercy, all I got is working. Never stop searching, never quench the thirsty. I'm toxic and psychotic, with this logic you can't stop it. It's been chronic since I was a boy, so neurotic and chaotic.
Built to last with the webs I'm weaving. I could change the past with all I'm achieving. Got my foot on gas, never stop competing. If you break like glass, then this life's gonna eat 'em. Make mistakes real fast, then you learn how to beat 'em. If you take off the cast, you can see all the healing. If the pain's in the past, move on from the grave and put your foot on the gas. No, never stop competing, yeah. I've been doing this, I'm on it. I just wanna be iconic. Sipping on a gin and tonic, got me going off when I'm on this topic, yeah. If I ever play, I want it. You know that I'm always honest. Stay away from those who are toxic. Keep them out your face, no way, you don't want them, yeah.
Don't try to drain my energy. The enemy is everything. It's mentally, unhealthily, spreading like a rare disease, but I won't let